welcome back to my Target Ibotta haul. I went to Target. It was great. I got stuff that I really wanted to start stockpiling in my stockpile because why not? Why not? So the first deal I got is the Meow Mix Treats. These are $1.59. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus you guys want to use a 55-cent off coupon. You guys will end up paying just 64 cents for this, which is still a really good deal. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 14 cents. 14 cents for cat treats. My cat is now on the other side of me, just staring at me because she knows I'm getting her treats. I've been getting her treats for a while now, so 14 cents for cat treats. Paris, you want some cat treats? You want some cat treats? This is Paris, everybody, but she likes the cat treats. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She's my little princess. She doesn't like being on camera. No, she doesn't. But, yeah. Can you say hi to everybody? No? Okay. So the next deal I got is the Quaker Breakfast Squares. These were $2.50. I got the baked apple cinnamon. I'm excited to try these. I like oatmeal. I like apple cinnamon. I should just try one right now. I should just try one. Helps you fill up. Yeah, and that's what I need. I need stuff to like fill me up except at work because I always am snacking on stuff. So you guys want to use a 75-cent off coupon that we just got in this Sunday's paper. Sorry, I got cat hair on my nose. You guys would pay $1.75 for this. But then you guys can submit a 70-cent rebate, making the final price for this just $1.05, which I think is a pretty good deal for 5 snacks. $1.05, that's like, what, 20-something cents a piece or something like that. So that's a great deal. The next deal I got is the Chobani Flip. I got the Peanut Caramel Satisfaction and the Peanut Caramel Dream, or Peanut Butter Dream. Now there's a deal for 30% off certain flavors of Flip, but then it has a whole list of it where it's void at. Like you can't use it in certain areas. I don't know why they're very picky about coupons. But you couldn't use the Cartwheel deal for that. But there was a Cartwheel deal that I could do for 25% off. 25% off. I also used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from a while back ago. Now, those coupons have a huge list of where you can, what states you can use them at and what states you can't. I don't understand why certain states. But anyways, so I used that $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would end up paying just 50 cents for these or just 25 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. Caramel low-fat Greek yogurt with roasted peanuts, milk chocolate, and chewy caramel bites. Peanut Butter Dream is vanilla Greek yogurt with honey roasted peanuts, peanut butter clustered, and milk chocolate. I actually want to try these. I don't know why. I'm going to try those. Husband will too. I got our famous drink that we always get, Kombucha, the Suja Kombucha. These were $2.99. There's a 35% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would just pay $1.94. But since I bought 2 different drinks, it automatically gives me both of them. So this you guys would technically get a 75-cent rebate for, but then I also got a 95-cent rebate for this, so this comes out to be just 24 cents for this, which I think is a great deal. I got peach. Husband wanted to try peach. Then I got the Suja Mighty Dozen Organic, and this has got apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens, lemon, mint tea, ginger, spinach, just a ton of stuff. This was $3.49. There's a 30% off deal on Cartwheel. you guys would just pay $2.44 for this. But then you guys can submit a 95-cent rebate on Ibotta, but I also got a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 74 cents. Husband's like, I am so excited that you're going to Target. I'm like, why? Because you get me treats, and he knows I'm getting these for him. He's like a little kid in a candy store. The minute he gets home from work, he searches for those drinks because he knows I got them for him. So I ended up doing a gift card deal. I ended up getting the Dove Men Care. Now I had problems at the register, but there was a sign on display that said all Men Plus Care, you buy 3, you get a $5 gift card. So this one had a tag on it. So this was $5.49. There is a 10% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys use a $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay, or there's that. You guys also want to buy 2 shampoos. These were $3.99. I don't know why I wrote $4.99. But these are $3.99 at my store. Plus there's a 10% off Cartwheel deal. You guys would end up paying... or you guys want to use a $1.50 off coupon that we got off from a couple weeks ago. You guys want to use 2 of those. So you guys will end up paying $7.02 for all 3 of these. But then you get a $5 gift card, making it $2.02 for all 3 of these, which is a pretty good deal. So I got some stuff that I don't have a lot in my stockpile. Again, I'm trying to get a lot of guy stuff. The next deal I did is the household deal. I've been wanting to do a household deal for a while, and I really am enjoying the buy one get one free coupons that we got in our P&G. So I got these. I will probably be going back to do this deal again because for $10 for all this stuff is a great deal. Now I ended up getting the Febreze Unstoppables. Now these were $3.99. I used that buy one get one free coupon that we got in the P&G. So you guys would get these, you know, for $7 for 4 of them. That's a pretty good deal. Then I also used that coupon for buy one get one free of the Febreze sprays. These were $2.99. So I got all those. I was smelling them, and Ben's like, I want to smell. So I let him smell them, and we chose these flavors, but I should not call them flavors with all the kids eating pods lately. It's ridiculous. And then I ended up getting the Scrubbing Bubble Toilet Cleaning Gel. I got 4 of those. Also, there's a gift card in my bag. I thought I put that in my purse, but there's the gift card. So what happened is you guys want to use, these are $3.14 on sale. There's a 15% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys want to use the 2 off of 2 coupons on coupons.com for these. So after buying all 12 items, yes, you heard me say that correctly, 12 items, you guys will pay $10.64 for everything. It comes out to be just 89 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I mean, $10 for 12 items, 89 cents, and I'm pretty excited to get these for 89 cents, and I really enjoy, you know, these kind of Febreze Unstoppables. So there is that. That is an awesome deal if you guys really want to do that. I know there's a lot more scenarios, and these are actually pretty good. I got to keep up with these, but these actually stayed in my toilet a long time, but I got to do it all over again because they're actually a pretty decent product for those. So that was my haul. I wanted to get a couple other stuff. I wanted to do the olive deal again, but my store was sold out of it. And I didn't even bother doing the shampoo conditioner deal, and I wish I did, but it's too late. Benjamin, don't touch that. My total came to $27.34 after all my coupons. I ended up getting a $5 gift card for the Dove Care. Now, I said something at the registers because it automatically didn't do it. So they checked the sign and then they gave me a $5 gift card. So definitely make sure your store has it marked, and if they do, take a picture. Take a picture so you have proof. I hit level 1. I just needed like one rebate to finish level 1 on Ibotta. So I got 50 cents. 50 cents. I only needed, hold on, honey. I only got 5 items and for level 1 to get 50 cents. So I'm like, whatever. 50 cents is 50 cents. I got $4.85 back with Ibotta. That was with the 2 Suja drinks. I got it also with the Meow Mix snacks, and then I got it with the breakfast squares. So we got that. Ben, don't ruin that. If you guys add everything together, I got $16. I paid $16.99 for all 21 items, which I think is an actual pretty good deal. $16.99. Wouldn't say it was the greatest shopping haul, but I think it was pretty good. So everything came out to be just 81 cents a piece, which I think is an awesome deal. Like 81 cents for a lot of this stuff is a great deal. But if you guys want to do this cleaning deal, just get 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 of these. It's a great deal. You just need 2 each coupons of each one. But 81 cents, can't go wrong with that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys know what to do. Thumbs up this video. If you haven't already, you can join my Ibotta team. If you do not have Ibotta, it is super easy to join. You guys get to be on my team. A lot of you guys want to be on my team. I know that. I'm working on it. I email the company all the time just asking if, you know, there's a chance that people can be on the team without being Facebook friends. So I'm working on it. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys all later for another Target Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.